Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Hoy is Lunes. Alas 4:10, everyone. And the weather for today is about 14 degrees. Pero umulan pala kagabi. So ngayon may tiny rain. And a bit of windy. And today is Monday, 10th of November, everyone. For the second Sunday. So, nangangalahati na naman ang ating November, everyone. So, ayun lang at maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng aking videos. And God bless us all, everyone. See you later after 6 hours, everyone. Bye and see you when I see you. OOTD of the day, everyone. This is the scenario here. A lot of falling leaves. Everyone. Good morning. We are here in the job site, everyone. Ayan, oh. Sobrang daming nalaglag. Wala nang dahon ang puno. No New Year's Day to celebrate. No autumn's right with tenderness. Ang dami, oh. Grabe, everyone. Ang ganda niyan doon sa dulo. Umulan kagabi, tas naghangin. So, yan na ang nangyayari. Naglaglaga ng mga dry leaves. Pero hindi pa sila ubos. Marami pa. That's it, everyone.
Text mo ulit siya pa kay Wana.
Ay, naku, tinest ko na kay Wana, hindi niya nakatulungan.
Wala sa pambayad ka 2,000 eh.
Malaki yun eh.
Kain tayo, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone.
Hindi pa na naubos eh.
Bang nanonood kami ng TV Patrol. Ayan, everyone. Time check. Pasok tayo kahit maulan. Grabe, diba? So, madamig. Nakikibagyo to kay Uwan. Oh, nakikibagyo sa Pilipinas eh. Grabe, ang lamig, everyone. See you after 2 trains in 5 minutes po. Malamig. Malamig ang kamay ko, everyone. See you later. Time check. 3:37, everyone. And my drink. Other side is the Metropolitan. Ayun, that's it. And see you later. My favorite set, everyone. So, everyone, back to normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to normal, everyone.
Mind the gap between the train and the
So,
platform. This is
ay,
Finchley
I'm
Road.
going. Ay, sorry.
Metropolitan to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
I'm home already. Alas 9:20 na. So, ayun. Hindi na ako nakapag video along the way pauwi kasi everyone super lamig. Grabe. Yung suot kong jacket is not not fit to the weather. So cold today. So, ayan, hungry ako. Kain tayo sa mainit na sopas at mainit na tea. Good night, God bless, and I love you all after this dinner.